Hello, my name is Lynn and I'm a mother of two. I love to cook and I love to sing. So both aspects actually takes up a lot of my time other than being a mother. So have always been trying to find the right balance to see how I can manage my time well. This is the reason why I decided to purchase a Thermomix as well. I was first introduced to Thermomix is through Xiaxue's post, which was a couple of years ago. Then I'm like, hey, this machine can do a lot of things with just one machine in the house. So after moving house recently, having the chance to have a bigger and nicer kitchen, then I think it's time for me to venture into it. So the first impression of the Thermomix is it looks very sleek and futuristic, and it doesn't look very complicated. So it's just a machine, like a weighing scale machine, then with one knob. Then when I tried to Google more info about it, I was a little bit cannot believe that such a simple machine can actually do all sorts of things that usually someone who loves to cook will actually be able to do it. So today I'm planning to cook the oil-free honey chicken wing, which is my son's favorite. So yeah, I'll be cooking that for lunch for him later. I think a lot of people probably do not understand what kind of benefits it actually gives to the owners. So I was also a little bit skeptical in the past, is it really that good? Are you sure? But after looking at the demo and decided to purchase it and use it, it really saves a lot of my time, because while it's cooking, I can actually do other chores. Then without having to worry that whether it will overheat or whether it will dry up, or I can even let my daughter cook dinner when I'm not at home, so that we can come home and have a home cooked dinner. Yeah.